Hello, girls. Once again, I welcome you to class 9 where we are learning mathematics part 2, that is geometry. Our lesson is going on parallel lines. So, in previous class, we have learned about parallel lines, transversal lines, and also properties of parallel lines. We have verified the properties of angles formed by a transversal of two parallel lines. Let us now prove the properties using Euclid's famous fifth postulate given below. If sum of two interior angles formed on one side of a transversal of two lines is less than two right angles, then the lines produced in the direction intersect each other. So we will see interior angle theorem. So let's see what the theorem says. We will see the statements. If two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the interior angles on either side of the transversal are supplementary. You can see the diagram. So what this statement says, what we have to prove here, that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree and angle D plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That the theorem says. So here this theorem has proved by indirect proof. If you remember, in previous lesson we have learned about proofs, and in proofs we have studied direct proof and indirect proof. So this theorem is based on indirect proof. But indirect proof is vanished from the syllabus of 9th standard also and 10th standard also. So we will not take this proof. We will see only statement. So you have to remember only the statement, that is, if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the interior angles on either side of the transversal are supplementary. So no need to prove, only remember the statement. So we will go to the next theorem, that is corresponding angles and alternate angles theorems. The theorem 1 says the corresponding angles formed by a transversal of two parallel lines are of equal measure. So we have learned how to prove in previous classes. So let's see what is the first step. First we will write what is given. So given this, line L parallel to line M and line N is a transversal. Draw the diagram. You can see in the diagram line L is parallel to line M and line N is a transversal. So what we have to prove here, our proof, angle A is equal to angle B. So let's see how to prove this theorem. So the first step of the proof is angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Give the equation 1. So where it came from? Yes, angles in linear pair. If you remember what the angles in linear pair says, that angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Then angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. In previous statement we have learned that property of interior angles of parallel lines. What it says, that angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So from 1 and 2 what will we get? Angle A plus angle C is equal to angle B plus angle C. And here you can see both the side there is angle C, so it will be cut out, that is vanished. So what will remain? Angle A is equal to angle B. So this is our proof. So hence proved. In this way you have to prove this theorem. Just remember the statement, all the steps, and in this way you have to write this statement, theorem and proof. Now we will see the next theorem. What it says: the alternate angles formed by a transversal of two parallel lines are of equal measures. Again we will draw the diagram. Line L, line M and line N. So here given line L is parallel to line M and line N is a transversal. And here what we have to prove: angle D is equal to angle B. Again we will write down the first step of the proof. Angle D plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Equation number 1. What is the reason? Don't forget to write the reason. So here reason is angles in linear pair. Same reason. Then angle C plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Equation number 2. Reason again same, property of interior angles of parallel line, which we have learned previously. So from 1 and 2, angle D plus angle C is equal to angle C plus angle B. Again here angle C and angle C are both the side, so it will be cut out. Then what will be remain here? Angle D is equal to angle B. So in this way this theorem has proved. So simple theorems are there, easy and easy to remember. So your homework is just write down the corresponding angles and alternate angles theorems. Both the theorems you have to write, and also write down the statement, only statement you have to write down of interior angle theorem. No need to write the proof, only statement. That is, if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the interior angles on either side of the transversal are supplementary. Write down it, remember it and revise it and practice it, all the theorems. So see you at next video where we will going to solve the exercise. So till then keep practicing. Thank you.